So this solution, whatever we are showing, it is built by our partner, runs on AWS infrastructure. So this is to identify the contamination in water bodies, right? Like if you have canal or you have ponds from where the farmers take the water and they put it into their fields, right? So this takes the drone images of the water bodies and satellite images. It combines them and it tries to, based on the AI algorithm, it tries to identify what is the contamination level, whether that water is suitable for farming or no, and it gives them early warning. So it is for the government as well, irrigation department. It is for the farmers as well. So it helps them for the better farming and maybe for the better growth. It is directly related to the yield of the farming products as well.
It's totally satellite based.
It, two ways. Either you have the satellite images as well and you have the drone images as well. So we flee the drone over there, right, and we identify those images and then we compare and we show the trend also. It shows a trend also, like how the water is deteriorating, right, over the time, so that they some
If
corrective.
they need any solution for that, we provide solutions and all.
Yes, correct, correct. So it can recommend also, right? Like based on what kind of item if you see, right? So there are multiple things like algae concentration or the oxygen level, it tells those things as well. So it can recommend also on top of that.
Nice. Nice.
Good.